Hello, I'm Laura Connor. Over the next year, 2.8 hours later, a zombie apocalypse will be taking over all the major cities in the UK. I'm here today at Bloody Marvellous in Cardiff to see what it takes to become a zombie.
Well, I'm trying to turn Laura into a zombie, basically. I've worked on Da Vinci's Demons, Captain America, Wrath of the Titans. I did the last Pirates of the Caribbean. I'm trying to use methods that people could recreate themselves. So I'm mixing 2-part silicone compounds that you can buy easily and sculpting it on skin. Putting on a wig, fitting teeth, contact lenses, a nice homemade t-shirt and lots of blood.